Round two. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, brave girl. Come on. You come with me. Come on. Come on. She's hiding behind me. Come on. Come on, let's get closer. Come on. Come on. No. Really? The cats think there's something real out there, so they're afraid too. This is how hysteria spreads. Come on, brave girl. Come on, brave girl. It's not that far. Come on. It's like Ben and the Lobster Claw. Really? Come here. Come here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. No. You're going to have a field day with this. I know you. Oh, maybe. Bailey. Here, how about if I kick it just a tiny bit? Not at you. Cut. Miss Molly is in the bushes stalking it. Now she thinks there's, there must be something evil about it. The kitten's braver than you. Uh-huh. Who's braver than you? The kitten. Booga, booga, booga. Really, the kitten's there. I know, Molly, what's the big deal, right? Oh my God. All right, maybe we'll try again later.